Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with 5 Excel tricks that will make you advance in Excel. So before I start, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my new video. So let's get started. Our first trick is how to make waterfall charts. So we have data here. So let's see how we can make this type of chart, or we can say that waterfall chart. First, you have to select the data, then go to Insert tab, then click on Waterfall Chart. Select your salary here and set as total, and select your closing balance and also set this as total. Now for increasing, you have to choose color green, and for decrease, you have to choose color red, and for total, choose the color dark blue. This is how you can make your waterfall chart effective. If you change values here like minus 4000, or here you can say that minus 2000, and you got dividend 3000, as per your data your chart will be ready. So let's move to our next trick, that is how to set or how to add a background in MS Excel. So we have data here. For adding background, you have to go to your page layout, then go to your background. Then here search for your item pictures that you want in your background. I want sports pictures. Search for sports pictures or anything else you can search for. Select anyone you want on your background. I just want to select this. Just select this picture and click on insert. And here you go, you set your background in your MS Excel sheet. So let's move to our next trick, that is how to link drop down to new sheet. We have list here. First you have to give name to your list. I will give name to my list, that is row. Now go to your drop down list, select your cell, go to data validation, click on data validation, then go to list. Now here you have to type row is equal to row. Okay, here you got your list. Now you can select or drop down this and select which designation you want to select here. This is how you can make your drop down list, or you can link your drop down to new sheet. So let's move to our next trick, that is how to make progress bars. For this you have to select your data, then go to your home tab, click on conditional formatting, then go to data bars and select the data bars. This is how you can create progress bars here. Now let's move to our next trick, that is how to create spin button in Excel. For example, as we have stock data here, if I increase units here, it will, or in decrease here, it will change the price or amount or units. This is how you can use this button. So let's see how we can use this. First, you have to go to your developer tab, then go to insert, then select the spin button. Here you have to create your spin button. Now just drag for all this. Just select all your column and click on Ctrl plus D. Now you have to link your button with your units. For this, you have to right click here, go to format control. Now select your cell link, that is J5, and click on OK. Again, I have to select format control for next one. Click on cell link, select your units and enter and click on OK. Again, you have to select format control, select your cell link, that is this, press enter and click on OK. And again, last one, we have to select format control, select your cell link, that is this, and click on enter, then press OK. Now if you increase your units here, and you have to put formula here, that is units multiplied by price. Now you can use your button here after linking with your units. This is how you can use spin button in Excel. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any query regarding Excel, please do comment and please do share my video to your friends so that they can also learn advanced Excel tricks.